Welcome playlisters to another episode of the Playlist UK, and today I'm going to do an unboxing and unfeed of the Asics. The colorway reads Fresh Salmon, and it's a gel light free, and it's on a UK size 9. Now with Asics, they are very good at trainers in that they kind of add little details. So with the Salmon, and I think with the Tropical one, which is going to be in the next video, they add additional laces. So you've got the suede in the Fresh Salmon colorway, the logo too. This might be M3. On the sole, well, underneath on the outer sole, you've got the colorway carrying on. The split tongue as well, which is like the main feature of the gel light free. Inner sole here, but it's like a zigzaggy funkiness there.